Idea demo by Eric Lam, Amy Hong, and Jaden Ting. The key idea behind our game mechanics center around players interacting with their environment to discover objects that lead to the players finding a special object that will aid in their escape from the room. Said object will provide the player with a power-up during their boss battle of the room. At the macro level, our game blends a rhythm minigame into a point-and-click adventure game. As stated previously, the player must explore the game environment and collect items. However, players are unable to collect certain items until they have successfully completed a minigame where the player must click on falling notes at the correct time. Collecting various items around the level will aid the player in solving puzzles, which will result in more collectible items. Using this tower puzzle as an example, the player must first acquire 3 colored blocks before they can stack them onto the tower. Doing so will unlock a key. Each level of the game contains a major item which will aid the player in the boss battles. The goal of the puzzles is ultimately to lead the player to this key item. In this level, the item in question is the gold kazoo. Each level will have a major boss fight. Before fighting this boss, the player may converse with the NPC and read their dialogue. During this boss fight, the player must click on falling notes at the correct time. Unlike in the minigames, boss levels have added difficulty in the forms of moving platforms and black notes, which decrease the player's score. The gold kazoo that we have acquired earlier unlocks golden arrows, which provides the player with twice as much score as regular notes. If the player accumulates at least 2,000 points, they have successfully defeated the boss and can move to the next level.